Hey, what's going on, everybody on YouTube? EXO coming at you here with a swift and quick little project inside the garage. I had myself scratching my beard, and not complete shame because this happens to the best of us, at my tweeters here. They've been kind of sitting in the garage in close proximity to some pretty hectic projects, if you will. So they've been kind of in the firing line, and they've got MDF dust, they've got SPL dust, and they've got some remnants of something particle-y down in there. So I've been trying my best to blow it out from the top, but it's just not working. So I figured what a great time to turn the camera on, because we've got an extra dirty pair of super tweeters, and there's really only a couple ways to clean this, and I gotta take them apart and blow them out with a compressor. It's not really good to take your fingers and like wipe them off, because that can do more harm than good with the diaphragm being so delicate. So we're gonna go ahead and take these out of their sockets. I've already started, that's why we're missing some here. We got the Silver Devil screws, and we'll see how we can get these things nice and cleaned up, because right now the sound quality would be very bad and kind of because they would be vibrating on all those edges. It almost looks like shards of metal, but we won't know until we get it out. So let's dive into it. The rest of these tweeters out of here. Now these were the first pair of A-pillar pods I had ever built, and they're what, 7 years old? Oh, look, forgot about that casualty. I had one of my friggin' terminals pop right off and we had to do a little bit of field surgery. Uh-oh, not proud of that, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. I'll just clip those bad boys off right here at the splice. Still taped up, shove that in there, and there's that one, dirty Tweety. We got all the tweeters taken out, so let's go ahead and take a gander at one of the worst ones here by undoing the back screws, and this all comes right out. I have a full in-depth video of how to replace the diaphragms on these FT1 super tweeters. I have it on my YouTube channel and I will link it. It's actually very straightforward. Once we get all these out, you have access to the membrane on the other side. Take a look at all that debris hunking right along the edges. It's kind of hugging this plastic piece. We got some pieces standing up straight. You can tell that those are shards of metal. Now somewhere along the line, this was in the blasting zone from the destruction of Frankenstein. But let's go ahead and blow this out and see if we can fix the problem. There may be some trace amounts of tiny specks, but that right there is pretty much ready to go. You saw how we kind of had to chase around the magnetic particles until they fully blew off. So now we'll try this next dirtiest one. Just looking in it, you can see quite a bit of hunk of junk. I'm interested to see if it's more or less. Woo! Yep. We got some MDF dust in there and a couple shards. Not as many as I thought there would be though. Here's the one we had to do field surgery on for that little direct lead. Had some things bouncing off with some flex, if you know what I mean. 160 dB. Boom. That one was easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now we just need to take care of the aesthetic piece, which is this additional housing on the outside. This has a little bit of dispersion for us with this pattern right here. So we're gonna clean out the insides of her, get that stuff out of there, and wouldn't you believe it, guys? I'm not even kidding. These used to be copper pink, but because they were installed in a place that always saw sunlight, the pink copper color has now turned a silver metallic color. Pretty cool how that happened. freshly wiped, looking good and smooth as a baby's bottom. No more dust bunnies on the attack, if you will. Fast forward another 5 minutes and we got all these things assembled. They are super, super easy, no pun intended, to work on. You can literally just do field swapping if you absolutely had to, if you had spare diaphragms on hand. But yeah, there we go, guys. A quick little before and after. I'll give you a little shot in there. You guys remember what it looked like before. Now you can see no debris in there. It's looking real nice. Every single one of them is ultra clean, ultra safe, and will have no debris flexing around that very, very high frequency diaphragm. Those things go so fast, so the noises can become very annoying very quickly. So there we have it, guys. A quick little video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna be doing some more stuff like this and posting some more videos, so thanks for staying connected, staying, watching, and subscribing. All right, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. This is EXO, signing out.